Hey guys, how you guys are doing? In this video guys, I wanted to do a review on this product right here. This is a Spawake 2-in-1 foaming cleanser. So guys, I will only do a review on the product I really like, not on something I don't like, and I will blabber about why I don't like the product. So this is the 2-in-1 foaming cleanser from Spawake. So this is from a brand known as Spawake. Spawake is a Japanese company and from a franchise known as XOXO Cosmetics. XOXO Cosmetics guys generally emphasizes on natural ingredients, quality ingredients, less parabens, less everything bad for your skin. So I will assure you guys for the quality. So I determine a good product in 3 different bases. So first one is the ingredients, the second one how it reacts to your skin on the first time that you use, and the third one how it will react after a bit of time you have used. This just checks in all of the 3 different categories that I mentioned. So coming to the packaging, which is like the least one, but sometimes we like cute packaging guys, like we all know. I would not lie you guys, the packaging from Spawake sucks, because as you guys can see, let me give you a sound. It is completely in half, and when I tried to first open it, it broke. I don't know why, because I opened it quite rigorously or something like that. So the packaging quite sucks in Spawake product, I know, because again I said XOXO Cosmetics really like focuses upon the ingredients, so I think they had to cheap out on their packaging for like giving the products an affordable rate, because Spawake is a really affordable cheap company. Not saying cheap, but really affordable company. So this huge bottle guys has around 150 ml and it costs around 259 rupees. This is a foaming cleanser, so it has a foaming tube, which is such a blessing for every cleanser. So the packaging is not my favorite for the Spawake product, so the packaging is around 2 out of 5 stars. So coming to my 3 different checklists. So the product itself is really nice. It is really moisturizing. So sometimes guys, foaming cleanser is really harsh. It really cleans your skin perfectly, but it will be really harsh. Sometimes it won't be as moisturizing. Even the foaming cleanser changes upon when you use the product. So in like summer, the foaming cleanser would be great. It strips down all your oil and you really feel nice. But in the winters, when your skin is dry and the weather is not nice, your skin would really feel like dehydrated and stripped, which is really a bad feeling. And in monsoon, you would really feel irritated all over. But this one is such a all season type of cleanser. This doesn't strip your skin. This doesn't like has that squeaky feeling, but it cleans your face like anything. Like, how can I tell you or describe this product? Guys, use this. It is such a complicated product because it cleans nicely, but it is not stripping. Like, if you have used anything like that, you will understand how the product is. But I really would recommend you guys, you give it a go, because it's such a cheap guys, 249 rupees. If it doesn't suit you, like, use it as a hand wash or something like that. Your hands would really feel nice. So generally guys, if a face wash doesn't suit me, I use it as a hand wash or a body wash. So coming to the product guys, when you first apply it, when I first used this, which was like 6 months back or like 4 months back, it was really nice. The first impression was mine like bomb. The first impression was like 5 out of 5. I really like how it feels, how it hydrates my skin when I am cleansing, of course, my face, and I really like it. Of course, I'm saying really like it because I really like it. So this brand, Spawake, is formulated with sea-sourced active ingredients, and it is developed under the Japanese cosmetic line, XOXO line. So it really is so sea mineral guys, it's really nice. If you have used any sea product or sea mineral product, you know how much hydrating they are and how much of a good quality they are. So it would really like hydrate your skin and make your skin feel all better. So coming to my third checklist, which is like how it feels upon like after using 1 to 2 months. You can see this product in my hand, and when I say that I have gone 3 bottles of this, you know how much I like this product. Again, like the aromatherapy one, the bamboo charcoal one, this is my, again, like, this is the product which I want to repurchase again in future until I find my, like, the one cleanser for me. So if I have to describe my skin in like one line, my skin is a combination in every different way. So in summers, guys, I really have oily skin, like oils are dripping down from my face, and I have only this part of my face quite dry. And in monsoon, my skin is all over the face, I have breakouts, and I have every bad skin problem possible. And in winters, my skin is dry and flaky. Literally, skin comes out of my face if I don't follow my K-beauty routine, that rigorous K-beauty 10 to 15 steps routine, and which is quite time consuming, but I really like it doing in the winter specifically. I do it in summers too, but in winters I really like to take care of my skin. But this product right here, guys, doesn't do that flakiness to my skin, because I really fear using cleansing foams in the winter because my skin is literally drying. So my skin is really very sensitive to any product I use. So if you are a normal skin person, it would suit you. If you are a sensitive skin person, guys, it would again suit you. So it is for all skin types, as you guys can see. And again, it's really worth it for the price you pay. It almost feels like I'm sponsored, but I really like this product, guys. So do check it out, guys. So you can get Spawake products in Amazon and in their own website, and some other random website do sell Spawake products. So I will link down below, guys, wherever you can find this product and the best deal where you can find this product. Of course, the best deal would be in Amazon, because Amazon literally has the best deal of all kinds. So try it out, guys, and let me know how did you like this product. Hey guys, so that was it for my review. How do you like my review kind of a video? If you want more review, guys, do comment down below and I will do more review for you guys. If you want a review on any particular thing, tell me, guys. I would buy and I will use it on my skin, and I will let you guys know if I like or dislike the product. So if you like this video, guys, like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
Can you be my la 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 la?